In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file or folder to multiple folders in Dropbox using shortcuts. This method allows you to have the original file stored in one central location while appearing in various folders without having to create multiple copies. It's an effective way to keep your files organized and easily accessible without duplicating them and taking up extra storage space. Let's start by uploading or locating the original file in Dropbox. This file will serve as the primary source, or what you might hear referred to as the home folder. If your file is already uploaded to Dropbox, simply navigate to its location. Otherwise, upload your file to your Dropbox account using either the web interface at dropbox.com or the desktop application. Once you've confirmed the location of your original file, you'll want to navigate through the web interface to find another folder where you'd like the file to also appear. Choose a folder that makes logical sense for your needs. For instance, you might want the same financial report to be accessible from both the Finance folder and the Project Reports folder. Now, we're going to create a shortcut pointing to your original file. Begin by selecting the folder where you want the shortcut to appear. At the top of the interface, you'll see several options, including one to create something new. Click on plus Create, and from the menu that appears, choose Web Shortcut. This is the key step in establishing a direct line back to your original file. Depending on the interface you're using, you may be prompted to either enter a URL or to select the file directly out of your Dropbox. In this case, you'll be selecting the file from your Dropbox. Once selected, give your shortcut a name, something easily identifiable so that you know instantly what it links to. The name might simply be the name of the file or could be something more indicative of its relevance to the new folder. Now, you'll see a new .web shortcut appear within your target folder. When this shortcut is clicked, it will instantly open the original file stored in its primary location. It's important to note that this is not a copy of the file. It's essentially a portal back to the original. If you want this file to be accessible in additional folders, you merely repeat the shortcut creation process for each of those folders. Navigate to the desired folder, go through the creation steps, select the original file, and assign a sensible name to your new shortcut. This allows for seamless access across multiple locations without the headache of managing numerous identical files. It simplifies collaboration, file management, and space utilization. Enjoy a clutter-free, efficient Dropbox experience with this simple method. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing!